Upload saved PDFs from your computer and find the citation information with Zotero. In Zotero, click on the green plus button and choose Store Copy of File from the drop-down menu. Find the PDF in your computer and click Open. Right-click on the PDF file in Zotero and click on the Retrieve Metadata for PDF menu option. Attach notes and create reports from your documents. Notes appear indented under Items in the central panel. You can create new notes for items in the right panel by clicking on the tab Notes. You can generate reports from the notes you have created by right-clicking all the items and selecting the Generate Report menu option. Share citations with your colleagues with groups. First, create an online account by clicking on the login link and entering your email in the registration form. After you have verified your email, log into your account, go to the Groups tab and create a new group to invite your colleagues. You can now drag and drop items from your main library to the Groups library and share them with your colleagues.